Canopy installation. Carefully check there are no hidden pipes or cables prior to installation. We recommend that 2 competent people erect the canopy. Larger door canopies will require 3 persons for installation. Please check that doors are not impeded by the canopy before installing. It is important as the canopy needs to be level and plumb. Use a spirit level to mark a plumb line on the wall above the door. Offer up the canopy to the wall, mark the canopy frame to coincide where you intend to secure the frame. Once drilled, mark the frame using your template and drill the frame. It is important an installer is a competent person. We highly recommend safety equipment including eye protection. Also, a safety assessment should be carried out prior to installation. Remove the canopy and drill the frame to receive the appropriate fixing. Alternatively, when installing your canopy, you can make a template. This is useful when fitting heavier canopies. Mark the template on the wall, then drill your holes to receive the appropriate fixing. Once the fixing or raw plugs are fitted, you may proceed to install your door canopy. Please ensure, if using chemical fixings, that they have fully cured. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions supplied with fixings. It is important that the installer should ensure that the appropriate fixings are used to suit the substrate. The installer should ensure that the substrate is sound and capable of supporting the appropriate fixings. Once you have installed your canopy and secured all the fixings, you are ready to seal your canopy. If a protective layer is fitted to the canopy, do not remove this yet. Avoid marking or getting sealer on your canopy. All standard door canopies are constructed with a continental-style drip flashing. This will require sealing to the abutment with a proprietary sealer by the installer. Chasing is not required with this type of abutment detail. It is now time to remove the protective layer which is fitted to your door canopy. You can clean your canopy if required with cellulose thinners and a soft cloth. However, never use white or methylated spirit or any other product. We hope you enjoy your beautiful, environmentally sustainable door canopy. If you would like to find out more about the Zinc and Copper Canopy Company Limited and the different canopies in our range, please visit www.zac.ltd.